Well, happy Monday.
Happy Monday.
We are delivered.
4-star Freightliner.
Yep.
We are delivered.
Checked in at the Freightliner here in Georgia. And now we wait.
The waiting game, we're on the list. They said they'll be able to get to us today, so we'll see how that goes.
That could be in 5 minutes. That could be in 5 hours. That could be tonight.
That could
Just
be
never
tonight,
know.
yeah.
That's the one thing.
Hopefully they don't tear the truck apart and say, oh, now you got to go get a hotel. We'll finish it tomorrow.
We got to order a part.
Yeah, the part's not going to be here until tomorrow.
It is a small Freightliner.
It is a small one, yeah.
We've actually
they only got 1, 2, 3,
3 bays.
4 bays.
4 bays.
3 bays. I think that's a wash bay.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah, so.
We have gotten stuff looked at here before,
Yeah.
at least one other time I know of.
Yeah, and they were really good, really quick, so.
Yeah, that's been golly. I think that was
Many
still when we were
moons.
driving for an owner.
Many moons ago. We were in a Freightliner.
Yeah. We've been in it, well, except for our very first truck, we've been in
We've been to the Kenworth here too, just right up the road.
Have we? Yeah.
Yeah, we came and got parts here at the Freightliner here, and we're in Albany, Georgia.
And it's hot and humid.
It's hot and humid, and I need a shower.
Yeah.
We probably should have went and got showers before coming here, but
I know, but
it's like you want to get the truck checked out as soon as possible.
yeah, and the quicker you get checked in, the quicker they get to you.
Yeah,
so.
yeah. And I already see them pulling trucks out from stuff they've been working on this morning, so.
Yeah, we've already had a call from an agent, but
Yeah.
of course we need to get this looked at before we accept any loads, or we want to, because, you know, we just,
Yeah.
just something, don't want to put it off. So hopefully they'll get to us quick, and it's an easy, I don't hit our truck. They're backing
do
stuff out of bays.
Don't do
It's a
it.
tight fit in this little parking lot.
It is.
But yeah, we'll keep y'all posted, see what's up.
See what
and
happens.
Hopefully it's an easy fix and we get out here and get a good load back out west.
Back out west, where
Fingers
the
crossed.
earthquakes are.
Oh, I know, that's crazy. They had the 2 earthquakes on the 4th. Well, at least one on the 4th and one
Yeah.
on the 5th,
Yeah.
right after we left. I
We
told
just got
Jason,
out
as
of
much
there.
as we go out west, I'm surprised we haven't experienced an earthquake yet.
Every time we go out there, I worry about the big one. I do. I always worry about that big one that shuts down highways, and that's why I like going to Barstow, because at least from Barstow we can get the heck out of California pretty quickly.
Yeah.
You're in Ontario, you're going to be fighting quite a bit of traffic to get out of there.
Yeah, I'm sure one of these days we'll experience one as much as we're out there. Like I kind of want to experience just for the experience, but I don't.
Yeah.
And, you know,
Earthquakes
just
kill people.
Oh, I know.
They kill people.
Scary.
That's no joke.
Scary.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah.
And it was a big one. I think it was like 7.1, and then
yeah,
all
like the first one was like 6.4 or something, then a 7.1 something the
and then
next
all the
day.
aftershocks were really strong. And
Yeah, golly, that's just crazy.
yeah, we'll see.
But yeah, we'll keep y'all posted on what happens here.
Cool. Peace.
They're playing back here. But now it's playtime. They've been sleeping all day.
All day.
Well, gosh, we've had an eventful 2
Yesterday,
days.
yeah.
Gosh.
So where did we leave off? We left off at the going to the Freightliner.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. We went to the Freightliner. They looked over everything on the truck. Everything is good. Wheel bearings, kingpin. I mean, everything's good on it. But we just for some reason that left passenger tire is still getting torn up. So they recommended us going get new tires, balance, alignment, all that. So that's what we did yesterday. Got to utilize the Landstar to help us get tires, a Landstar discount, which was really good. I think it saved us like $100 per tire.
Yeah.
And we still got some really high name brand tires. One thing we were having trouble with was finding our size for our straight truck though.
Yeah. Well, I think it's because the 16 ply in our size is
yeah, because
H-rated.
Since we have such a heavy front end, we have to run 16 ply tires. They're just a safer front end tire to run, period, I believe. We are having trouble finding those, but the LCAP program, I called them up. They found a shop that had the tires we needed and went there, got the tires, got balance. I was going to replace the shocks too again. They wouldn't do shocks, so I'll probably end up doing that tomorrow.
Yeah.
Show you guys out how we do that. I just got a new
new
toy to be able to do shocks ourselves. So
You're being vicious back here.
you guys,
I don't know if the mic's picking them up. You hear him?
crazy dogs.
You silly willies.
So it's running great now with the tire change. We got 150,000 miles out of those last tires we got.
I was going to say, the tires were getting to where they were needing to be replaced anyway, and it could have been a bad tire. We had the balancing beads in the tire.
I don't know. I think the balancing beads had something to do with it.
Yeah.
I really do.
We had centromatics before, and when we changed our steer tires the last time, we had them take those off and try the beads.
Yeah.
And this time we put the centromatics back on.
We put those back on, yeah.
Which those help with keeping the tire in balance.
Yeah.
If you don't know.
Yeah, it's basically what you do is you take the wheel off, you slide these things over the lug nuts. What it does is have a tube around it that has some oil and some basically BBs that roll around inside. So as you start driving down the highway, these BBs go to wherever it needs to balance. So every time you start and stop, your tires are rebalancing themselves. Mm-hmm. So amazing product. We have them on the rear. We have 338,000 miles on this truck, and I've never done anything to the rear tires.
Yeah, except for rotate them.
No. We haven't even rotated them.
I thought we had
we have not rotated them. We have not balanced them.
They're perfect.
They're perfect. Yeah. They look flawless.
Yeah.
The tire shop guy said we're probably going to get at least another 100,000 out of them, if not more.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Awesome product.
We
even have them on the Ford, and we bought some for the Airstream.
For the Airstream too.
We just haven't had the chance to get that done yet. But before all of that took place, we got a call for a load.
Yeah.
So we've had some kind of maneuvering around on this load because the original load we were supposed to pick up today to deliver tomorrow, but then as we were getting all of our work stuff done yesterday, the agent called and she had another short run that she needed help on.
Yeah.
So basically we picked up in Alabama and came to Florida.
Yeah.
It was like 300-mile load, 5 pieces at 2,600 pounds. We are already here. We picked up this morning and we're here.
Got to the delivery. We're parking at the customers, wait until they open in the morning.
And it kind of sucked because originally we were supposed to pick up first thing this morning and we should have been able to deliver today. But the pickup took so long.
4 hours.
Yeah, they took so long to get us loaded and out of there. By the time we got here, of course, the receiving here is closed.
Yeah.
But luckily, like I said, they have parking for us to stay here.
We've had a real frustrating day today. I'll share it later when I've kind of cooled down a little bit about it. I'll probably talk about it tomorrow more, but we had a real frustrating day today.
Yeah.
Because we were supposed to be able to deliver this load today, but we couldn't because of the holdup at the shipper.
And we were supposed to be back at the original pickup to pick up
tomorrow.
The load we were originally supposed to pick up. So we still have another load lined up.
Yeah, but now we can't pick that up until Thursday.
Yeah, so we'll talk about it.
But we were supposed to pick it up tomorrow and deliver Thursday, so yeah.
So that got kind of wacky. But, you know, sometimes that happens. It's just I don't want to say it's not like why we don't a lot of times like taking these short kind of runs, but a lot of times with these short runs, you think they're going to be quick and easy.
They never turn out to be. Yeah.
They usually take longer than you think.
That's typically why I just don't want to mess with them.
Yeah.
I'll sit around 4 hours for a 2,000, 3,000 mile load, but sitting around 4 hours to pick up a 4 hour trip load, 200, 300 miles, you know, I'm like, it's pointless to me.
Yeah.
It's a big waste of my time, my resources, and it's a waste of time to us. If they could get us in and out when they say they're going to, then I would have no problem doing more of them, but I just don't want to waste my time for short, crappy loads. I really don't, because they always end up turning crappier.
And it's usually more work. It really is.
More work.
It's more work. I mean, even for the pay, you know. So, but I know a lot of people like doing them, and they will run these short loads 5 a week. You know, we've just gotten to the point where we like to do the long ones. You know, 2, maybe 3 loads in a week.
But of course, we're doing these because we need to stay on this side of the country.
Yeah, we're trying to, because the expo is this week probably when you're seeing this. Yeah, it's going to be this Friday coming up when you're seeing this. So yeah, we're trying to, because we don't want to like take a load out to California and then end up having a deadhead from California
all the way back to Indiana.
So we're trying to be smart about it, but we'll see what happens.
And there's been loads going to California that we've seen and we wanted to take, but we're like,
oh, we need it.
We've seen one going to Washington that would have been really good, but you know, we got to stay on this side. So we're trying to make these shorties work, but they're not cooperating.
And they never do. Not for us anyway.
No.
I don't know. But yeah, we'll catch up with you guys tomorrow after we get delivered and start deadheading back to pick up our next one.
Yeah. We'll talk more tomorrow.
Yeah. Peace. What's up, everybody?
Howdy doody.
Ooh, wow, what's happened today? We got our delivery done.
Yep.
We have deadheaded and positioned ourselves for our pickup for tomorrow.
Yep. Fix your microphone. There you go.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, if anybody's wondering what these things are we've been wearing on our shirts lately.
They are wireless microphones.
We're testing them out, seeing if we can get a little bit better audio with these versus our mic that goes on the camera, the Rode mic. These are Rode mic also, right?
Mainly because we got the generator and air conditioner running right now, and it is quite loud.
Yeah, so you'll have to let us know if you can tell a difference in the audio in this vlog versus some of the other vlogs. It has to be better, I would think.
I would think.
Yeah, but
we got it delivered.
Yeah.
Back up where we're picking up. We got a load lined up. Today's Wednesday, so we're ending it.
Yeah, so we'll talk about the load tomorrow once we get it picked up.
In the next vlog.
Yeah, in the next vlog. And we're at a TA in Alabama off the I-20. We're staying here tonight. Jason checked us in to get a PM service or an oil change for the truck.
Yep, truck needs a PM service, so we're gonna get that done before we go running tomorrow. I got shocks, so I might go ahead and just have them put them on.
We were gonna do it today.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, we stopped at a rest area today, and I was going to change out the shocks myself because I got a new cordless impact gun. You know, I wanted to try it out. I bought all kinds of different size sockets, but
all but the one we needed.
The size we needed. I bought deep sockets. I bought big ones, little ones, metric, standard. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
I have everything except for the size we need.
It was like 25 or 30 sockets that I bought and didn't have the right size.
Yeah. So we're either going to have them change them here with the PM, or we're going to wait till we get up after we deliver on Friday and do it where we're delivering. Because we're going up north and it'll be a lot cooler up there to do.
It's cool, yeah. And then, I mean, I'll stop at a Tractor Supply or, you know, Harbor Freight, that's where I originally got them. And they didn't have a really huge selection of impact sockets. And for an impact gun, you have to have impact sockets. Because if you just go try and use them regular sockets, it could break the sockets, and I don't want pieces of metal getting broke off and flying up into my eyeball. So
yeah,
so
that would be good.
Yeah, so and Harbor Freight didn't have the right selection, but Tractor Supply has a bigger selection of impact sockets. So what I'll do is I'll take a crescent wrench and stick it on and get it to size of the bolt I need. Then I'll take that inside and match it up to the sockets, and I'll just buy one of the single sockets that I need for the shocks. But
even if we do have them do it here, the next time we need to replace them, I know he really does, and I want to help. I want to see how to do it, and we want to film a video of how to do it in case some of y'all want to know, because it's really an easy job, I think.
Yeah, that was the whole purpose of buying the impact gun, so we don't have to have TAs and places do it for us. You know, $100 for shocks, and I replace them myself. Easy.
Yeah.
Boom.
So we'll see. You'll find out. We'll let you know in the next vlog if we had them do it, or if we're going to do it ourselves.
If we're going to do it, we'll do it in the next vlog.
Yeah, well, we'll do a whole separate video on how to do it, because I think it'd be a great info video.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, so we're going to go ahead and end it here, guys, and we will pick up the next vlog, let you know what our next load is. Thank you guys, as always, for watching and subscribing.
Until our next video. Peace,
love, and expediting. What you doing?
Hi.
Hi, baby. Hop over, girl. Come on. Come on. Tyson, baby, what you doing? Do you need to go potty? Do you need to go potty? You want to go potty? Or you want your dinner? You want your dinner first, or you want to go potty first? He's just like, Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You know what that's from? Get one guess.
Sesame Street.
Yes! I didn't think you were gonna get it.